So this is the box it came in. Turbine, ultrasonic turbine washer with turbine forward and reverse cleaning. Ultrasonic high frequency cavitation. And you can put 2 kilos of laundry in it. Well, we'll find out about that. So I'll be plugging it into this device. This is my A3 power station. Now it says to get the best performance for the 24 watt to use a 5 volt 5 amp charging adapter. I have got some, but in this case I'm going to be using the A3 because that's what I will be using. Right, so I've put some water in there. What I've got to do now is put some more clothing in there, and I'll just go and find something. So I've got some socks. They look pretty grubby. Been walking around on the floor. Stick them in. These are cloths I've been using on my bike, just wiping over, so we'll stick them in as well. Right, because it's only a small wash, I'm just going to use a little cup of that, put that in. Right, mix that in a bit. Hoping that will be enough. Right, so with the lead, I'm going to plug it in. And there it goes. Obviously I'm not going to continue to film this for 30 minutes, that's the cycle, 30 minutes. So what I'll do is just let this run, and then we'll see the results at the end. So as you can see, it's swirling it one way, stops, and then swirls it the next way, the other way. And it will, after I think it's 3 minutes or so, then go into vibration. There's the vibration, and you can feel that on the floor. And I'll do that for 1 minute 40 seconds. And we'll come back later once it's finished its complete cycle of 30 minutes, and then we'll have another look. Right, so that's 30 minutes. I mean, this is still, you can see there's a mark on it. So it hasn't cleaned that off. So they were filthy. They weren't your normal. Where's the socks gone? They're like a real washing machine. I've lost the socks. You said? Where have they gone? Crazy. How can you lose socks in a little bucket? Ah, there we are. Alright, let's have a look at the washing. These are socks, all the ankles are clean around there. Clean around the ankles. Bit grubby on the bottom still, but then I can never get rid of that. That's probably what I walked in. But they look clean. They smell It smells good. Obviously the cloths, they're all stained from the oils, but they all smell nice. For a bloke, I'm happy with that. I want to try other stuff. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, subscribe, give us a like, thumbs up. Thanks very much.